In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Alethea token step by step. So before we proceed, I want you to know that Alethea token exists in two different networks. One is Ethereum network and two is the Polygon network. So if you need Alethea token in Ethereum network, you can use Uniswap, and if you need Alethea token in Polygon network, you can use QuickSwap. And if you don't have an Alethea token in your Ethereum network, you can just copy this address and then go to your MetaMask wallet and then click import tokens, click custom token, and then paste the address. And then click add custom token, click import tokens, and now you have an Alethea token in your Ethereum network. So in Polygon network, if you don't have an Alethea token in your Polygon network, you can just click here and then copy the address, click here, go to your MetaMask wallet, switch to Polygon network, click here, and then click import tokens, click custom token, and then paste the address. Click add custom token, click import tokens, and now you have an Alethea token in your Polygon network. So on the first one, you can go to app.uniswap.org and click connect wallet. Click MetaMask here, and once you have connected your MetaMask wallet, click here and type down Alethea. And then once you have choose your tokens here, you can now type the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, but make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet because you are going to use it for the transaction. Later on. So for example, I will swap 1 Ethereum for Ali, and I will receive this amount of Alethea token. And once you have typed down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up, and you just need to confirm it and pay for the gas fee, and you'll now be able to receive your Alethea token in your MetaMask wallet. So the second option is to go to quickswap.exchange, connect your wallet, and then click enter up. And then you can choose any of these tokens you want to swap. Then once you have choose your token that you want to swap, click here and type down Ali and click here. And now you can type the amount of Matic you want to swap. So for example, I will swap 0.3 Matic, and then I will receive this amount of Alethea AI token. And then click swap here, click confirm swap, and then you will gonna need to confirm this. Then once you have confirmed this, go to your MetaMask wallet and you will now be able to see your Alethea AI token in your MetaMask wallet. And if you have any questions about how to buy Alethea AI token, leave a comment below.